أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Uh, guys, as I have repeated, as I have earlier told you that Zber, Zer and pesh, Zber, Zer and pesh, these are called Harakaat, and the letters having these Harakaat we don't read by stretching. I'm starting here. Here is first Alif, Fatha, Alif, Fatha, Alif, Zabar. It will be pronounced as A. Alif, Zabar, A. But as I have earlier told you that any alif having haraka, zabar, zera, pesh will not be read it will not be read as alif, but will be read it as hamza. So it is not alif. It will be read as hamza. So we'll read it as hamza, fatha, a. Hamza, fatha, a. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and enjoying Ramadan there. Guys, once again I welcome back you on my channel Learn with Hafs Abdul Wahid, with another day, with another video, with another lesson. Also I request you who are newcomers on my channel must subscribe my channel and must watch all my videos, and don't be forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all my videos. So guys, let's go, let's see and what the lesson of today is there. Guys, last time we have finished haruf muqatta'at, and our today's lesson is lesson number takhti number 4, Harakaat, unit number 4, Harakaat. Guys, what's the Harakaat is called? What is Haraka and what are Harakaat? Guys, Zber, Zer and pesh. You can see here is Zber, Zer and pesh. These are called Harakaat. These are called Harakaat. And if there is will be any haraka upon any letter, we don't read the letter by stretching it. Not by stretching if there is any haraka upon any letter. And as well as if there is any haraka upon alif, like here you can see here there is alif with the haraka zabar. So it will be called hamza, not alif, because it has haraka upon the letter, and here is haraka under the letter, and here is haraka upon the letter. You know guys, there is haraka is called fatha, means zaba, and another haraka pesh, zamma. In Arabic language is called zamma. Fatha and zamma, zabar and pesh, both are upon the letter, on the letter, and zer, kasra, it is always under the letter. So guys, once again I repeat, what are harakat? Zabar, zer, pesh, I mean in Arabic language, fatha, kasra and zamma. These are three called harakat, and we any letter having any haraka, we don't read that letter by stretching. And as well as I repeating, if there is any alif with haraka, zabar, zer or pesh, so we don't read it as alif, but we read it as hamza, like here. You can see here it is hamza with fatha, here is hamza with kasra, and here is hamza with zamma. So guys, let's start with ta'awuz and tasmiyah. Hamza, zabar, a, not by a, we don't read it by stretching. It is hamza, zabar, a, and here is hamza, zer, e, hamza, zer, e, hamza, zabar, a, hamza, zer, e, hamza, zabar, a, hamza, zer, e, and the third is hamza, pesh, u, hamza, pesh, u, hamza, pesh, u, a, e, u, a, e, u. Not we read it by attaching it, prolong it. We will not prolong it. We read it very shortly as a, e, u, a, e, u, hamza, fatha, a, hamza, kasra, e, hamza, dhamma, u. I read it Zber as fatha, Zer as kasra, and pesh as zamma. Fatha, kasra, zamma. We call it Zber, Zer, pesh in Arabic language as fatha, kasra, and zamma. So I repeating it: hamza, fatha, a, hamza, kasra, e, hamza, zamma, u, a, e, u, a, e, u. So guys, this was a lesson of today, a very short lesson I have today. I hope you following me and repeated the lesson, repeated the sounds of harakat, and I hope you also understand, you have understand what are harakat, and any alif having haraka upon under, what it will be called there. So guys, once again I'll request you, our newcomers, must subscribe and must watch all my videos, so that you can got benefit and you can learn the Quran with tajweed, inshallah ta'ala. It will be beneficial for us, not in this world but also in Yawm al-Qiyamah. So guys, see you later on with another day, with another video, with another lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.